The value of TTU Ethics Centre is important to me, to my students, because I think it offers a very, very nice complement to what I am trying to embed in many of my students. And as I referred to earlier, many students don't have a problem identifying ethically questionable or ethically dubious behaviour. They know what it is. But what I am often concerned about is what would a student do and how would a student go about reporting ethically dubious or ethically questionable behaviour. I think many students, particularly undergraduate students and even graduate students that may not have confidence in the system, when faced with a challenge or faced with ethically questionable activities, may struggle with the question of, what do I do about it? Where do I go? Who do I talk to? And I think having an ethics centre that runs weekly and monthly seminars that can create an opportunity for students who are concerned about some of these things. They can go to some of these outreach activities, they can go and they can speak to somebody, they can ask hypothetical questions. So I suspect that there is something going on here and I want to know what to do about it. And I encourage my students to consider what are their options. Their options are to ignore it. Oh, is that ethically acceptable behaviour? There are, of course, consequences of reporting unethical behaviour. They may be concerned about their status in the university, their status in the programme, the breakdown of relationships with an authority figure. And again, it's trying to embed in them the belief to trust in the system. That it is better to behave at the ethically highest standards possible than to worry about the blowback, because ultimately your professional credentials and your professional reputation are in many ways going to be embedded in how people perceive your honesty and integrity to be. And one of the things that I talk about in some of my classes, in graduate seminar in particular, and again I think I'm helped by an awful lot of the offerings in the TTU Ethics Centre, is helping students have a plan and ensuring that students are confident in where to go. And even if that first step is me, that's okay. We can work with them to come up with a plan of what to do next. And I think providing students with that type of opportunity is very, very valuable.